How about we're going to use a script now to change a player's head size? So in your server script service, just enter a script. In your script, just enter the following lines. On the first line, we have a player added event. Next line, we have a character added event. For more information on those two, you can refer to our prior tutorials. Here, we're waiting for 8 seconds. Now, inside every character inside the game, there is a humanoid object. Inside every humanoid object, there is an object called head scale. It is just an integer number, and the default is 1. If we change it to 5 here, the size of the head of the characters in this game are going to be 5 times larger than the normal size. Let's now play and take a look. Again, we're going to give it 8 seconds before the head size changes. So when I spawn in, you see I have a regular head size here, and give it 8 seconds. Whoa, look how big my head is now. I got a gigantic head. That is how you change the player's head size in your games.